elephant foot yam into the pot or a grow bag. And if you want to grow elephant foot yam into grow bag into your home garden, what type of preparation you need to do? What is the care to be taken before sowing it, and what type of seed we should select? All that information I am going to discuss in detail in this video. So if you are interested in growing elephant foot yam at your home garden, please stay connected to the video till the end. Let us start this video. Hello friends, welcome again to my channel Organic and Hydroponic Urban Grow Pro. Friends, today we are going to discuss about growing elephant foot yam into this grow bag. So first we are talking about the size of the grow bag. Grow bag size should be minimum 1 foot in wide and 1 foot in height. Now we have here 1¼ foot grow bag over here, which is 1 foot in height, which is good enough. More the size of the grow bag, it will be much better. But you can also grow it in such a small bag with the little care in selection the seed. So this is the bag where we are going to grow the elephant foot yam. Now still talking about the seed. So for this small bag, we should select little small seed, because what happens when we sow these seeds will multiply 3 to 4 times. So we must keep at least 3 to 4 times size of the elephant foot yam seed for its tuber growing, and we should keep another same size for it growing its root healthy. So what we will have to we'll do, this is around 3 inch. So if we multiply it 4 to 5 times, it will be 12 to 15 inch, which is the size of this grow bag. So we must select the seed size based on the grow bag or the pot. So you must select 20 to 25% size of the grow bag, the width of the tuber. Once we select the seed, then we need to sprout the seeds. You can see over here the sprout, and without sprouting you can not sow the tuber. Now for sprouting, there is a natural way where you are keeping all the tuber upside down, and with the time it appears in April, it will sprout automatically. Now if you want to do little early, then what you can do, you can arrange those tuber in a straight position and sprinkle water regularly. This will initiate the new shoot growth early, and you can start sowing early. So once your tuber is sprouted, then you need to do some function on the seed. I will show you what care you should take for the sowing. So I will take one yam, where I will show you what type of care we should take. So here you can see this is the one tuber, and here you can see the extension of the small tuber. So we can remove this extension and sow this separately for growing the new seed next season. So this is the first part. Now you can see here the many sprouts are there. I will show you the one more tuber over here. You can see here is the only one sprout. Then this is good. But if you have more than one sprout, then what you can do, you can remove all these other small sprout. What will happen if you allow this all to grow? It will develop 3 to 4 small plants, and from 3 to small plants we'll get the small size of the tuber. So to get the tuber size good, we will remove all the small eyes from this tuber. So we need to remove these small eyes from the tuber. So only one sprout will get out from this tuber. So this is how we need to prepare all our tuber seed for sowing. Now after preparing it, it is the open wound over there. Now if we sow this tuber as of now, what will happen? The open wound will get into touch with the soil, and there are all the chances it may get rotten. So to protect our seed, first we'll let the seeds dry for 48 hours, 24 to 48 hours, and then we'll treat it, and then we'll sow it. Now before that, we'll prepare all the seeds like this, and all the small tuber we'll sow it somewhere else for creating that seed tuber for the upcoming season. Once everything is done, we'll treat the seed and sow this into these bags. That I will show you after 24 hours. So friends, Now we have ready our seed with single eye. Now we are weighing it. To know that what is the input weight we are putting in, here is the weight around 4 kilo and 900 gram. So it is 500 gram is the weight of this vessel. So if we deduct that, we got around 4400 gram of the tuber weight. And here is total 36 number of the tuber. So average weight of the tuber is around 120 grams. Now we are going to treat this seed and sow these seeds, and this way we'll keep it in record so that we can compare at the end what amount of the elephant foot yam we have got as a final yield. So now the treatment process and sowing process. So friends, now we have completed our work for preparing the seed. Now all the seeds are ready. What we have done, we have do it to the single eye. Now it has been 48 hours since we have done this, and you can see the change in the elephant foot yam. Here you can see the sprouting is getting bigger and it is ready for sowing now. Now before sowing, we must understand what type of treatment we need to do on this, what is the thing we need to take care while sowing, and what amendment we must do into our grow bag so that we get the good results. All that information I am going to share into the further part of the video. But because this video is getting too long, so what we are doing, we are ending this video over here, and in the next video I will be giving you all the details for the sowing and all the updates and demo for sowing this elephant foot yam into this grow bags. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe my channel and get bell notification button on, so that when I put this video on sowing this elephant foot yam tuber, you can get the update and sow it with me. Meanwhile, you prepare your tuber and get ready for the sowing with me in the next video. Happy growing!